is, you've given our police officers only 3 choices. The first choice, they must go to Haiti. The second choice, if they refuse to go to Haiti, they will be sacked. The third choice, they must go to Haiti and die. Those are the only 3 choices you've given our sons. We know that most of those police officers come from very vulnerable homes. We know that they are breadwinners, the sole breadwinners in their family. And yet you are sending them out to die. Bwana Ruto, shame on you. 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 Era urukamano.
Aya. Pod un gi wach moro. Pod nitie ng'ama udwaro. Oh, okay. I know. Uneno gaucho mudwaro no. That's my last born. Until this morning, he was my last born until this morning when I gave birth to all of you. So it's no longer last born. So I'll wait. I've been told protocol. No. That I close now.